Hello bachcho, hello. I will describe about number systems. So thank you for the opportunity for giving me from PW for academic counselor for mathematics grade 3 to 10. So I will describe about number systems. Myself Devasis sir, and I'm going to teach about number systems. So it's a demo already. So basically number system, it comes from the that is word number. So what is number? So it is classified as firstly natural numbers, that is whole number, and that is integer, that is prime number, that is even number, that is odd number, and that is composite number. If I describe about the short one, so what is natural number? Natural numbers starts from 1. Why it is not 0? Because 0 is not a number. Whenever it counts in the ancient arithmetic, whenever it counts, it begins from 1, not 0. That's why 0 is not included into the natural numbers. So 1 to infinite, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to infinite, that is classified as natural number. Okay, so what is whole number? Whole number counts from 0. Why whole number counts from 0? Why natural number not counts from 0, but why whole number counts from 0? Because 0 is a complete number. 0 is not divided into fraction. 0 is not divided into partial numbers. 0 is not divided, because whenever I will subtract 5 minus 5, same number I will subtract, so that will be accumulated at 0. So 0 will be the counted then. So as 0 will be counted then, that's why 0 is included in the whole number, because it is not divided, it is not classified as fraction. So it not be divided into fraction. That's why 0 is a complete one. So that's why the whole number that starts from the 0. What is integers? Suppose you go into the shop. Suppose you sold to a customer plus 5, but whenever you go to the home, you do not remember that was plus 5 or number 5. I mean to say that you sold out your vegetables, or customer lent out from you, you don't remember. So if you remember the customer lent out from you, so that will be what? Customer lent out from you, so that will be your minus 5. If you sold out, so that will be your plus 5. From that the origin integer comes from. Integers is classified as minus as well as plus. So minus natural or plus natural including 0, that will be classified as integer. What is prime number? Prime number is divided by 1 or itself. So prime number is the definition, is the number that is divided by 1, that is divided by 1 or itself. 2 is divided by 1 or 2. 3 is divided by 1, 3. 5 is divided by 1, 5. 7 is divided by 1, 7. That is called prime number. What is even number? Even number which is divided by 2. 2 by 2, that is 1. 4 by 2, that is 2. 6 by 2, that is 3, which is divided by 1. What number? Which is not divided by 2. So except that number, that will be called as odd number. That's why 1357 is a odd number. Composite number, that is a factor greater than 2. If factor greater than 2, that will be called as composite number. If I example 4, that will be divided by 1, 2, 4, so 3 factor. That's why it is called the composite number. So that is the number system in short. Thank you for this. Thank you for the opportunity.